everyone, thanks for tuning in again. This is Kevin Hennessy, the Payroll Professional. Today I want to talk to you about employee timekeeping and why it's so important, and if you're not doing it, why you should, and if you have a method in place, why it might be a good idea to improve your system. So I just want to talk about an example. I'm going to use a 10-employee company, and even with a company as small as 10 employees, I don't think it's hard to imagine that each employee could be making an extra 15 minutes of pay per day. That could be if there's no timekeeping in place, that they could be coming in a little bit late, they may be leaving a little bit early. If they take a short break during the day that might be unscheduled, that they're not punching out for this break. So if it's a 10-employee company and each person gets 15 minutes extra a day, that's 150 minutes a day that you're losing. And it's a total of 750 minutes at the end of the week, which is a total of 12 and a half hours of pay. Now in this example, the company that I chose pays their employees an average of $15 an hour. So at the end of each week, it's costing the business owner an extra $187.50 in gross payroll, which is a total of $9,750 a year, which now it's starting to make sense that this is a significant number. Again, I mentioned that this is gross payroll. There are other costs associated with your hourly wage. So it's going to cost you, rounding up a bit, $740 in payroll matching taxes, okay, extra. And that doesn't take into account whether you have a retirement plan in place that might match as high as 3% of someone's salary. If this is the case, you've just spent an extra $292 at the end of the year. And finally, one other thing to consider is your workers' comp. The calculation that we used is a total of 650 hours at the end of the year. So you'll need workers' comp coverage for an extra 650 hours. So obviously, this is a very small example, but we're somewhere around $10,000 that we can improve by just getting 15 minutes a day per employee. We have systems available where they can fully integrate with payroll. We can eliminate buddy punching because my time clocks require a thumbprint. So you can't say, hey buddy, I'm running 15 minutes late, do you mind punching me in? It's actually taking the person's thumbprint in order to punch them in or out. We also offer fully mobile solutions where we can set up what's called geofencing. So for all you contractors out there that have job sites that are not at your main office, if you wanted to, you could have your guys use their smartphones to punch in and out once they arrive at the job site. It uses the GPS capability on their phone, and you set up an area on a map where it is acceptable for them to punch in or out. Many contractors are finding this to be a huge advantage. If you want more information, please give me a call. My number is 781-974-7539, or shoot me a message on my Facebook page, facebook.com/KevinKnowsPay. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a like and a share. This helps me to grow my audience. And tune in every Monday and Thursday for new videos. Thanks so much.